Hi there, this is Teresa Comeau from Remax Select Realty. Now the number one question in real estate is, how's the market? And the answer is, it depends. Are you looking to buy, sell, or invest? Now let me break it down for you, and then we'll talk about what it means if you're looking to buy or looking to sell. After bottoming out in April, housing demand gained momentum in May and then surged in June and July. The market favors sellers and the supply is low. In the Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver, 3,128 homes were sold in July. That's a 22.3% increase from the same month last year and a 28% higher than last month. There were 12,083 homes for sale through the MLS system, which is a 15.1% fewer than last month or the same month last year. Now further breakdown into the detached market and the attached market of condos and townhomes. There were 19% more listings of single-family homes on the east side than this month last year, and 26% more sales. And the inventory for the attached market, which are condos and townhomes on the east side, was up 39% and sales were up 16%. Now a little bit of a different story for the west side. 15% more listings of detached homes, but 5% less sales in July over last year. And the inventory of condos and townhomes is up 28%, and the sales are down 3.5% on the west side. Okay, so I gave you a lot of data, so just sit on that for a bit. Now the surge in activity is taking place against the backdrop of a job market with millions out of work and an economy with a long way to go before getting back to before the pandemic. And I think it boils down to a case of the haves and the have-nots. If you have money during this pandemic and you still have steady employment, you view it as an opportunity to buy. Now the transition from working from home is helping lead a shift out of condos. And some condos in good locations are still well priced, seem to be struggling, while detached is definitely the hot market. Now the opposite was true not too long ago, but that's how markets shift, I guess. So let's talk about what that means for buyers and sellers. If you're looking to sell a home right now, I'm going to talk to you about the simple concept of supply and demand. Right now, supply is low with super low interest rates and demand is high. Prices are going up and there's very cheap money, so it's a good time to sell. If you're thinking about making a move, especially if you have an investment property that you want to cash out of, or if you're thinking about downsizing and you already have your new home secured, that's one of the big challenges that we'll talk about in a minute. Or you just want to take some equity out, have a conversation with a real estate agent. There are a lot of ingredients for a bull market, and I just broke down a few of them for you. And obviously the market stats reflect that. So if you're thinking about selling your home, it may be worth more than you think. If you're thinking about buying, we have a competitive market out there, and we have low supply, so less homes available, less homes are selling, and you've got historically low interest rates. So that's the reason to buy. Your affordability is more than ever, especially if you're moving into that 20-year property. This is the time you really want to lock in the lower payment. There are reasons to make decisions on both sides, and you have to look at the other part of it. Like, how hard is it going to be to secure a property? Where are you going to move to? That's obviously the challenge right now with the competitive nature of purchasing. Especially in this summer of 2020. It's really important to get a professional who knows how to win in multiple offer situations and who understands the market and understands the direction of the economy. So maybe talk to a few different realtors if you're thinking about making this move, because not everyone will be equipped to meet your needs. And a lot is happening out there, a lot of reasons to sell and one great reason to buy. If you have specific needs, you know how to get in touch with me, and I'd be happy to keep you informed as we navigate through this crazy real estate market through the summer like we've never seen before. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.